Hi everyone, welcome to my 8th grade math class. I am Miss Hartmann and I am so excited to teach you all of the math skills you will need to move on to high school. We are focusing on geometry for part of the class. If you don't already know, geometry has to do with shapes, volume, and surface area. This is a big part of everyday life. How, you ask? Well, architects, engineers, and other people who use math every day in their careers will use geometry. It's an important component of this class and of math in the real world. So let's get started with the types of shapes. Shapes are named based on the number of sides they have. For example, a triangle has 3 sides, as you know. So the tri means 3. Any shape that is enclosed with more than one side is called a polygon because poly means many. Basically, you are just attaching the prefix that coordinates to the number of sides the shape has to the suffix gon. Now that we have a basic understanding of how shapes are named, we can focus on transforming the shapes on a coordinate plane. If you are unfamiliar with the coordinate plane, it's basically an x and y axis where you can plot points and connect them with lines to make a shape. A transformation is basically just moving the shape along the coordinate plane, enlarging it, and shrinking it. The basic steps to doing any kind of shape transformation rely on the points or coordinate pairs of each point on the shape. To move the shape, you move each dot a certain number of units up, down, left, or right. To dilate a shape, you enlarge it. You multiply each point by the factor you wish to increase by. To shrink a shape, divide each point by the factor you wish to reduce the shape by. Transformations are really simple once you get these basic steps down. You can apply these simple steps to any shape, line, or point. Another geometry concept relating to shapes on a coordinate plane is reflections across the axes. You can reflect an image across the y-axis by moving it left or right. Take a point the same distance from the origin in the opposite direction. You can do the same thing to a shape across an x-axis by moving the object up or down. Just as the name suggests, the image you are reflecting is a mirror of the original and has a line of symmetry. You can think of the axis you are reflecting across as the line of symmetry. To review, any closed shape with multiple sides is a polygon, and you can increase and decrease the size, as well as move the shape in any direction you want to. These simple translations to geometric shapes are a key component of geometry, and I hope this video helped you gain the skills you need to succeed when dealing with shapes on a coordinate plane. Good luck with your shapes!